Yo, what going everybody? So it's been a minute since we get a video, but we've been busy, man. So right now, we put in red support in the Civic, yeah, because that was the one that had that hit on the right side. It was all crushed up. Here it is. Yeah, I tried straightening it. It wasn't having it. It was too far gone, so we got a replacement piece, and we got all that taken off right now. I cleaned up the areas where the spot was, or how you like them apples, guys. I didn't even drill through. So we get that cleaned up. We get this piece. I'm gonna have it cleaned up now for make the welds. So just like gonna mount it. You know what I mean? Clamp it in with some vice grips. Start welding. So yeah, stay tuned. If I have these pieces to hold it firm, then I know exactly what I'm doing. You understand? I need to hold these pieces in place. This